Hello, welcome back to another entrepreneur training section. My name is Prince Yemi Kasali. In today's edition, we shall be talking about how to extract mango oil using a cold press system. Before I go further, kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're yet to do so, and please follow us on Facebook if you're yet to do so. So, extracting mango oil, you need mango itself, then you peel off the back, then you take off the flesh, not the seed. So, you cut it into very smaller pieces, then you sun dry or make use of your oven, or you can make use of your hydrator. So I'm drying now, so you can sun dry this, you can make use of your oven or hydrator. So I'm trying to not stick on the pan and at the same time not to burn. That is why I'm trying to turn it. I will be doing this till I have a dry solution. This is dry enough. This is very dry. We have some brown parts already. After cooling it down, we'll remove it. You might put it in a jar if you have that, but I'm putting it in just one plastic container. So after doing that, you pour your oil. This is coconut oil, and it's a cold pressed coconut oil. That is why it is that very white. So you put it in there, and that might stay for about a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month if you can. This is just to make sure the nutrients, the mango nutrient, enters into our oil, our coconut oil. So you can make use of olive oil if you want to, and other oils like sunflower oil also if you can afford that. So after some days, I think this is about 5 days, I'm trying to take it off just to show you what we have. So just a little squeeze. So these are mango oil. It's good for the skin. So that's just a simple way of making mango oil without it. Thank you very much. My name remains Prince Yemi Kasali. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, please do so. And if you're yet to follow us on Facebook, kindly do so. Thank you.